Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will, create an interactive drop-down menu. So first of all, let's, create a frame here. Which, okay, yeah. So let me make it. The width will be, 320, and height let it be 54. Yeah. Okay. So I will increase the corner radius to 10. Then let's write here select. Okay, and let's not use the pure black color here, just a shade of gray. And let's get an icon from the Iconify plugin. So yeah, we can have this icon here like this. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. So okay. So let's say uh, this one as option 1. Okay. And then option 2 here, and then option 3. Okay, let it be till 3 only. So now we have this. Okay, so what we are going to do is just, you can just, turn it to a single frame. Just right click and then click on frame selection. Okay, or there is a shortcut also here, Control Alt plus G. Okay, so once this is turned in a single frame, you can click on this component option. Okay, create component option. Done. Now what we are going to do is create the first variant. We are going to click on the add variant option. Okay, here what will happen is let's create the first state where I don't want these options to be visible, but only this first frame will be visible, the select one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just increase the opacity of all the colors used here. Okay, just like see how I'm doing. Yeah, that's it. It's done. Nothing is visible, right? So now just click on the whole thing, the whole frame. Okay, here. Then click on the control button, and then yeah. Okay, and click on the clip content here. That's it. Okay. So here I can see that this is there. So I'm going to click on the prototype tab here. Okay. Then I'm going to connect to this one. Okay. And what interaction do I need here? Okay. So let's see. This one will be on click. When I click on the select option, this drop down should open. Okay. this should be visible. So you wanted instant, or there are different kind of animation here, smart animate, instant dissolve. Let's keep it smart animate. Okay, then I'm going to create the other variant from this one. Okay, I'll tell you why. You'll, sorry. Yeah, so another variant from here itself. Okay, let's write here option 1, option 1. Then another variant, option 2, and then option 3. Done. Okay, so now there are uh, now what you are going to do is, once the drop down is open, when I click on option 1, the component must change to this variant. Okay, this should be there. So the same animation settings will be there. Then if I click on the option 2, then this variant, it should change to this variant. Then if I click on the third option, then this variant must be there. Okay, now when I click on the option, once I clicked on the option 1, okay, then the same drop down should open here. Okay, then option 2, the same drop down should open again, and option 3, the same drop down should open here. That's it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to insert a frame here. Okay, take this one, and I'll take the instance of the main component. I'll bring inside the frame, and let's check now how is it working. Okay, yeah. So if I click on this one, okay, one thing is there which I missed. When I click on this now, this drop down should be closing, and the first variant should be visible here. Okay, so make sure you don't forget this thing. And yeah, so if I click on the option 1, then this option 2, option 3. So that is it. If you have got any doubt, you can write in the comments below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.